Hello there. Welcome to this product capability demo for Ataccama reference data, the AI-powered solution that enables you to securely manage, validate, and distribute trusted reference data. Today, we'll focus on the hierarchy management capability, a fundamental structuring mechanism that allows companies in highly regulated industries, such as banking or insurance, to roll up, drill down, and interpret complex data. To demonstrate this capability, we'll explore how lines of business commonly used in the insurance industry can be organized and visualized. Based on one model, as shown in the graph visualization, we can configure multiple hierarchy views. Let's open one of them. In this view, we can expand the existing two-level hierarchy by adding another level of risk codes. The hierarchy builder leverages existing relationships, so you're never starting from scratch. The system automatically suggests available connected tables, regardless of the direction of the relationship. Once you select the data for a level, you can reorder the attributes to ensure that you get the best context about your data. Before making any changes, you can see a preview of the hierarchy, which now includes the risk codes. After the hierarchy was updated, we can now explore connections up to the third level. For example, we can see the risk codes for US financial institutions within the financial and professional liability class of business. Once the hierarchical data is ready, you can also take advantage of our transformations capability. This will allow you to easily export and apply the data consistently across other processes outside of the Ataccama platform. Here is an example of a data transformation plan that you can customize within our transformation editor. For a deeper dive on this capability, make sure to check out our demo on data transformations. This was a brief demonstration of the hierarchy builder and Ataccama reference data, a critical capability that enables accurate reporting, tracing, and information control across multiple levels of aggregation.